Unforgettable kisses rely less on technical skills and more on the collective artistry of a fully shared moment, and you can enhance their impact by focusing on several key elements. Begin by making intentional eye contact, pausing just before impact to build passion, and remember to take mindful, sexy breathing breaks to avoid oxygen deprivation. It is crucial to take your time, fully immersing yourself without holding back, and to start slowly with soft, exploratory kisses, perhaps initiating contact on the neck or ears before moving to the lips. Throughout the process, pay close attention to your partner's response, treating the experience like a dance where staying in tune is paramount. As the connection deepens, you can introduce elements like a gentle bite or slowly incorporating the tongue, always ensuring you respect established boundaries with your hands as you explore. Maintain variety by alternating between long, slow kisses and quicker, unpredictable ones. And don't forget to break away occasionally for deep breaths and renewed eye contact, which helps keeps the session interesting and intense.